Down here in the south, this is what winter weather usually looks like. A little bit of sleet, it'll freeze into a sheet of ice, but no snow. At least nothing that sticks. This wonderful sheet of ice ended up being the base of what was to come this time around. The extreme cold gave us a very dry, dusty snow in huge amounts. The first round ended up being probably about 6 inches. I keep telling myself I should have just used the leaf blower to clear this while it was dusty, but it wouldn't have mattered because the roads were impassable anyways. Well, this is something we don't usually get down in Arkansas. Pretty good amount of snow up here on the hill. There's no way I'm getting down. Sure would be handy to have a Jeep with a plow. There were 2 ambulances stuck on that hill. They did manage to escape up the other side, but then they had another hill to get up, so don't know how they did that. Best of luck to them. I'm trying to decide if this is even worth shoveling. I mean, it's 10 inches deep over here. I did end up shoveling just 1/2 of the driveway, if only for it to be easier to shovel when the next round of snow came. Round 2 ended up being a much heavier, wetter snow, and there was more of it. This is unreal for Arkansas, and it is still coming down. That is like a foot of snow. There's a wall under there. Yeah, that thing wasn't dormant before, it is now. I ended up so bored that I did go ahead and re-shovel the driveway, even though there was no way I was going anywhere for days. The 3 streets leading down to my street are all pretty steep, so the city of Little Rock usually just lets us fend for ourselves until it's warm enough for the snow to melt on its own. Of course, here's the perfectly accurate ruler showing just how much snow there was. I have never had to shovel a driveway like this before. Down in the south, we're not used to this. That's a lot of snow. Damn, it would have been nice to have a plow mounted on this guy, wouldn't it? It was nice to have some company for the past week. A friend and her dog were snowed in with me. You can't even find it. All things considered, I was pretty lucky this time around. Many of my neighbors have broken pipes or frozen drain lines, things of that sort. I certainly feel for the people down in Texas, where the power grid has basically collapsed. Water pipes are broken everywhere, homes are damaged, apartments are damaged, and the infrastructure is generally in really bad shape. We had it easy compared to them. Snow up there. It's amazing. There is a lot of snow up on the rooftop. At the time I'm recording this, it's only really starting to come out in the news just how bad things are in Texas right now. It really could be months before things resemble normal again. You gotta go check out the snow on the hill? Too cold for me, I'm done. Ow, that's my hand. All right, let's go inside. Ah, progress. A little bit of meltage. Whole lot of sunshine.